Welcome back to SpiceCandies. One of my viewers suggested that I use rhubarb in my recipes, so we're going to try that. I did buy the nicest rhubarb leaves I could find. The reddest ones, not extremely very red, but that's what I could find. These are hard to find. I've never experimented with these. I have seen videos on rhubarb and how you make jams from that with other ingredients, and for candies I think pure is better than combined, because once combined you can't separate the parts. So we're going to make just rhubarb jam. Let's give it a shot. So I'm going to chop these out, weigh them, add equal amounts of sugar, and boil these thoroughly till they thicken up. Let's start. Weigh equal volumes of sugar. There we go. That should be a mix, and off we go. I'm not sure I'll be able to show you the cooking process. There are many other videos on that, much better than this, I'm guessing, so I'll show you the final result, because it's Friday and we're in a rush to get everything set up for Saturday. That's a busy day. Okay, off we go. I'll try and take footage, not sure I'll do. Well, the jam is ready. It's extremely thick. You can see over here, it's very, very thick. I think we're done. I'm going to do two things. I'm going to store it in a jar, and I'm going to freeze it as well. So I'll see you in a minute. Well, it's ready. Very, very thick, very gooey. It's nearly at room temperature, around 50 degrees Celsius. So that's looking actually really nice, a lot better than my first attempt, which was a lot runnier and very, very tart, impossible to eat, had to throw it away. So some things I've learned. That's really nice. Some things I've learned, and you always learn from experience. And now I have a small problem. What I want to do is to take a stock, and I have a jar. Now I don't have a sterile jar. So what I'll do is this. I'll use a small amount in this jar. I'll add a larger amount, and actually all the rest, to a larger jar, and I'll freeze it. In the freezer, microbes can grow at minus 20 degrees Celsius, except for a few rare ones. I'm not going to get into that. But generally speaking, if it's stored in the minus 20 degrees Celsius in the freezer, your problems are gone. Okay, so we have a small jar, we have a larger jar, and this is going to be the jar I'm going to freeze. Rock solid. And I'll just pour a small amount of that. And I did taste it. It tastes a lot better than the first attempt. It's really, really nice. I think we got something like about, not too much. Good enough for initial experiments in candy making. Put that aside and I'll store it in the fridge, and this is going to be the main theme. And there's about a pound, half a kilogram of jam. So that's all there is to it. Now if you like to store your jams for longer time periods, and you're not making those just for candies like I do, you can also make strawberry jams and other jams, but those don't survive that long. The kids do tend to make these go away. Don't know how. Have no idea. So if you want to store your candies, if you want to store your jams for longer periods, all you have to do is no, don't use a preservative. Sterilize the jars. That's it. Very good jam. Very nice one too. So really, really nice. I'll start making candies out of these rather shortly, and we'll see how they go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and have a sweet day.